Hello student, today I am going to show you how to upload the completed assignment on LMS. As most of the students are facing the same problem about the uploading or submitting on of the assignment on LMS. So today by using the credential of one of my mentors, I am going to show you how to upload the assignment on LMS. So first of all, you have to log in by using your credentials. After logging in, this page will open. First of all, you have to click your name on the right hand side of the screen and click on the dashboard. After, on the left hand side, there are the name of subjects. So you have to click on any one of the subject of which you have to submit the assignment. Suppose I want to submit the assignment of chemistry, so I will click on chemistry, subject of chemistry, and also choose the correct division. Suppose I am belongs to division B, so I will click on chemistry 12 science division B. Okay, you will find your assignment either in announcement tab, or you have to find your assignment by scrolling down, and here is the assignment of online lecture. Most of the I told most of the faculty to put the assignment under the announcement tab. I will show you. Suppose I click on the subject English, so here you will find the assignment is under the announcement tab, that is assignment number 1 for English. Here is the assignment submitted by that particular subject teacher. You have to click on that assignment. Here only announcement is there that kindly concentrate on assignment and complete it by 17th of July. Now actually we have extended the date of submission of assignment on LMS till 23rd of July. Okay, so I will again click on the subject English, and here is the assignment number 1. I will click on the assignment, but this student is already submitted the assignment for grading. So I will choose. So most of the time you will find your assignment under the announcement tab, but if it is not under that announcement tab, then you have to find that assignment in that particular subject. So I have to submit the assignment of chemistry, and I find that assignment here. So what you have to do, you have to just click on that assignment for online test, whatever name is given to that assignment, and here is this window will open, and this window will give your submission status. That means submission status no attempt. That means you have not, this student is not attempted that uh, assignment. That means he is actually doing that assignment, but will upload in given time. So the here the subject teacher of chemistry is updated the date of assignment, date of submission of assignment to 23rd of July. Okay, that means 5 days are remaining. So what you have to do, first you have to click on this assignment. You will get what kind of assignment you have to complete. Here you have to download that assignment, or either it will open in the same tab. That means either it is directly open with the LMS. So I have downloaded this assignment. Now look at the nature of assignment. There will be some questions related to chapter. You have to solve this assignment on a paper or in a notebook. and after completing the assignment, you have to make a PDF of that assignment, that completed assignment. After the making of PDF, you have to click on this button, add submission, and you have to upload the file from here. Here there are 4 tabs: recent file, upload file, private file, and Wikimedia file. You have to choose upload file only. Browse your file from your system or from your Android phone. Suppose this is my file for submission of chemistry assignment, then I will click on that file. I will give name here. That means completed assignment of, suppose I will give name. You can give the name as per your convenience. I will give the name as completed assignment of chemistry. Okay, and upload this file. So this file is going to be uploaded, and finally you have to click on this button, save changes. So now your assignment is submitted for grading. So your work is now your task is done. The subject teacher will evaluate you and your assignment and will grade as per the norms. Okay. So this is a very simple procedure to upload the assignment on LMS. Now I am not here. I am not upload the proper assignment. Now, suppose you upload the wrong assignment. Instead of chemistry, you have uploaded any assignment of any other subject. Then you can also remove that assignment from here. Okay, but still there is a status showing submitting for grading. Then you have to again upload edit by clicking on edit submission. You have to again upload that correct assignment from here, and will have to follow the same procedure. So this is all about how to submit assignment on LMS. I hope everybody has understood how to submit the assignment of on LMS. Thank you.